right
Oh,
here.
dude, it's right in front of us.
It is
dude.
cranking like a top.
Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Holy shoot. Look at that thing.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh.
You want to stop?
That is the best rotation that I have seen. That is the broadest.
Do you want to turn on this road and go south?
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to turn on this road and go south?
Probably.
Okay.
But we also have a good view, but yeah. Oh, look, damage.
I would say take the road. Go a little, dude. It's forming.
I know,
dude.
I know. This is the closest I've ever been to a tornado.
Dude. You turn left.
I know.
And pull over.
Turn right. Yes,
right.
I'm working on it.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's on the. Dude.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, let me get some pictures of this.
Woohoo, doggy. Okay, do we want to go straight or turn here?
I don't know. Your call. Either one is good.
Oh, dust on the ground! Yeah, buddy!
Whoa, don't let it do this car, dude. Straight or
It's your first tornado.
Just pull over. Yeah, pull over right in between.
Yeah, I saw dust on the ground. Holy shit! Woohoo, doggy! Oh my gosh, dude! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, dude!
Oh no! You hit something! Oh my gosh! Oh man! Oh my! No! No! Oh my gosh! Oh my. Oh Jesus. Oh my gosh. Wow. You can see multiple vortices. Wow. Oh my Lord. Oh no. I saw a power flash. Yes. Oh, Jesus, protect those people. Oh my. I don't know, we've got a good view. Yeah, we could go follow it, I suppose. Wow, fully condensed. Yeah. Let me take a few photos.
It doesn't look as good as it did before. Oh yeah. I love your shirt.
Let's take one of you.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Look at that.
It's roping out.
It's roping out, yeah.
Yep, it's going back up.
Yep.
But it's still throwing damage up.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh.
Let's follow it. Let's go out there and follow it.
Let's get the life cycle here, Johnny.
You want to stay here?
Yeah, look, he's roping out.
I don't know, he's still throwing up debris. No, you're right. There it goes.
We're getting steak tonight.
There you go. Okay, there it goes. There it roped out. Oh no, it's still on the ground.
Yeah, he's still down. But yeah, I think it's elephant trunking now. Look at that vortice.
Dude, let's follow it.
Oh, come on, camera, don't do this to me. I still need to figure out the hole. There it goes. It's still on the ground. It's still on the ground. It still might be on the ground. Look, another one. Possibly. Farther, yep. Okay, let's go.